Why what? Good. Alright, it's going. All right, go fast here. Huh? That's not a jump, that's just a huge pile of snow. They're gonna push that onto that trail soon.
Why?
Because there's not enough snow on that trail. I'll show you the bottom of that trail. There's not enough snow there. We're gonna go that way. See those guys? We're gonna make a left right there. What was that? Oh, were you trying to carve? Yeah. A little pull. You got it? We're going to go down that way. Yeah, let's go down the blue. How's it going? Huh? What? I'm watching you. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a call when we get to split down here. Oh, that was a good hockey stop. I think you have to keep your weight a little more forward on the tongue, on the front of your boot. All right. Whoa, nice, buddy. All right, you want me to give Bear a call? Okay.
Yeah, so he can work.
All right, we're gonna make a left here. We're gonna go that way. Yep. Down to Grandpa. On, wait here, bud. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I'll show you. We're gonna go down there and then we'll stop, okay? Do some big turns. Alright, bud. Trip, trip. Yeah, I'll show you. Come here. Yeah. Alright, stop right here. Because I'll show you where Bear is, okay? I'll show you where Bear is. Alright, stop right here. No, 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 stop. Turn. Look, you see? See, that's Bear right there by that yellow. You see that person standing there? Yeah. Alright, let's go that way. Go over this way, okay?
Why?
Just so they can see you. Yep, go all the way over there. You see him? Alright, go ahead. Huh? Yeah, they're right there by that snowblower. See where the yellow is? They're watching you. Go down, make some big turns. Pick up some speed. Okay. Right there. Trip.
Determination on his face. Hi, baby.
Good job.
Good job.
On, Trip. Trip. Huh? Am I all set up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at these little bumps there. You want to go over those?
Yeah, but video camera on.
Yeah.
Do it.
Slow down. Is that fun? You want to go to Bear?
Yeah, so we'll show his shop, how he shop.
Yeah. Okay. We'll go down the same trail then. Yep. Okay. Yeah, remember the same place I called last time? Alright, let's go there and we'll stop and I'll call him. With one of those like snow cats. With one of those snow cats. Huh?
Wait, the snow cat?
Yeah, the snow cat. Yeah, like the one that you watched with Grandma. And the one that Blippi showed you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just gonna push it over with that.
How did it village?
With a snowblower. That's from a snowblower. That's from a snowblower.
Yeah, but wait, snowblower.
Where is it? It's probably on the other side of the pile. We're gonna go left again. If you want to go back down to the chairlift, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go to there.
Yeah, that's where Bear is.
Yeah, but I was
Okay, let's go down. Let's go down to the same spot, and then I'll call him. Okay.
yeah, but I want to go to there. I want to go to the monkey shop.
Okay. Keep going. Huh? Can you make it? I think so. Yep. Alright, you want to stop up here and I'll give Bear a call? Come on. Yep, left. We can go right next run, okay? You want to make that right next run? Okay, let's go down this way to see Bear though. What?
I want to go to Goa.
Alright, we're gonna go past Bear again so you can show him your hockey stop and then we'll go to Gondola. See this trail? Look, bud. Trip.
So they can see us.
Yeah, see, they can see you. See that trail?
Oh, what?
This is the bottom of that other trail with the big snow pile. Do some big turns, bud. You got a hockey stop right in front of Bear and Shelby. Nice one.
Yeah, nice turn.
Good. You just realized it was you.
Hold on, bud.
Okay, bye. Have fun.
Okay.
Let us know when you're coming down for the last time.
All right, yeah, we're gonna do that other blue that goes through the water park.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. That'd be fun. I like that.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Let us know when you're coming down the last
I had a
time.
security guy taking a picture of us when we were sitting there taking a video of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to stop. I knew he pulled up, and then I realized he's sitting there taking a picture of me.
Making nice turns.
That was the back
Yeah.
of his head.
All right, see ya. Whoa!
Stop.
What?
I just went over top.
You went over that jump?
Yeah.
I think there's another one over here. Whoa!
Oh, I know what that.
Hmm?
What? Who are on it? I see it. I see them. Number three. I see number three.
Number 3.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, I see nothing. Yeah, I see them.
See Grandma and Bear. Say hi.
Hi.
That's what I got.
Was that a snowball?
Here it comes.
Uh-oh. Ah! Almost. He almost got you.
Why?
With a snowball.
I don't watch it.
Yeah. Say bye, Grandma. Bye, bye, Grandpa.
No, I did.
Oh, you did?
No, I did.